Alright dudes, so today we are going to be repairing the BC button on this X5 E53. I have checked the fuse box and the location. It's there. There you go. It's got the diagram as well. So it's not the fuse, the turn signal works alright, it's just the BC button that it's completely dead. So what you need to do, you will need to remove the steering wheel. So I already got a little bit carried away. You need to remove the top and bottom. All you need to take them parts out is a Phillips head screwdriver here on the top and a Torx 20 that goes there, and then you just pull the plastics and then it separates. I was trying to do this to see if I could reach the switch without removing the steering wheel, but that's just not possible. So all you have to do is, before anything, you need to pull the steering wheel all the way to the back as much as you can so you can have access, and then you unplug that, and then you have to go on the battery compartment, remove the tire, and then unplug the negative pole. You have this cover, I have done on other videos, that you need to remove this. Actually you don't. All you need is a number 10 thing, and then you can reach it from here and then just pull it out. Yeah? Leave it for a while. I reckon it's about 15 minutes to make sure the airbag just doesn't explode or starts working, and then we'll carry on from there. Anyway, you're gonna need flathead screwdriver, and that will have to go there, and you need to push, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, so now you need to insert the flathead screwdriver, and I recommend you do it in the horizontal position so that it matches over there, and then you're gonna push until you feel like it bounces back. You will bounce back, and then this will come out on one side, and then you have to do the same on the other. So that's it, it's off now. You can pull it out. And then what you need to remove, this is the airbag. In order to take everything apart, you need to unplug this, and then the airbag switches. These ones, how you do that is just simply insert this, and then it will come up like that. And then one's out, and the other one's out. They are color coded, so you won't have any problems. That's all done. They are out. You can make no mistakes since they are different sizes and you see exactly where they go. And then all you need to do is remove the 16mm screw there, and we're ready to go. So that's it. The steering wheel is out now, so you need to push it towards you. Make sure, like I said before, that the ignition is locked, so everything goes in place just as it was. And now we are going to remove them 4 T20 screws in order to get to that BC button. Electrically wise, the only switch is that one there. You just need to pull on this and then pull it out. So the 4 screws are out. You can unplug the rest. I recommend using, putting some WD-40 on them connectors anyway. And now this 10 button, all you need to do is press those 2 things and it will come out. I cannot do it with one hand, so back in a minute. Now that switch is out, that's it. Yeah. So you need to get access inside. So for this one you're gonna need a precision set or something like that. Yeah, I have one of those cheap ones. It's a T8, Torx number 8, in order to get it out. So it's open now, yeah? So it's quite obvious what's wrong with it. I will never ever know or find out how come the wires are cut. Never. Just poor assembly. It doesn't look like it's been messed with. So kind of like just snapped. So what I'm gonna do now is just add little bits of wire, any random type of electrical wire will do, and extend the connection from here to there, and it should be done. So that's it here. Yeah, I know you'll all call me cowboy or something like that, but I just don't care. I'm just a guy that likes repairing stuff, DIY style, still making everything work back again. So I've cut these two small bits, yeah, and then just welded them with a solder iron to make sure that doesn't come out, and then I'm just gonna put some tape isolating this one from this one, and then round the back and see if I can snug everything back inside in a way that it won't ever snap again. Right, so it's assembled back. Again, you have to kind of like squeeze it in, but that's it. That goes on top, T8 goes on top, and then on top, on top, on top, and then I'll show you just the final thing working. If it's working, because I'm doing this, you know, DIY and filming as I go. So before you put the final screws and, you know, lock the airbag in place, make sure everything is working. So, bam. It's in German, don't mention the war. Faulty Towers fan here. But that's it, it's working, yeah? So please like, subscribe, all those things, and really hope that it helped. Bye.